the second exit.
So check my mirrors, signal right.
Turn right.
Watch out for the potholes.
804,
I'm coming extra
Dunbeth
careful, just coming a
Road.
little slower
Then
there.
Go right on the roundabout and take the second exit, Sunnyside Road.
So I'm taking the next right turn. It's clear for me to go. And then at the roundabout, you're taking the right turn. So I can see the 3 Amigos sign already. Mini roundabout.
Go right on the roundabout and take the second exit.
So I'm just slowing down here. There's nobody on my right. Making the right turn. At the next roundabout, I'm taking the next right turn. She'll tell you a little late, so checking my mirrors.
Go right on the roundabout and take the second exit, B803.
It's the third exit, not the second. The second one was in front of me. It's the third exit we're taking.